Need cash today? Then there's no greater way of getting paid fast than with instant commission affiliate programs. The great thing about instant payment programs is that they have offers from a lot of individual affiliate programs. Depending upon the network, you'll likewise find an assortment of tools which help you choose what products to promote. You'll also be supplied with your own affiliate ID for every product you market, a central location for your statistics, affiliate tools for every product. These affiliate tools might include product pictures, banners, keyword lists, swipes for emails, and more. A few networks will let you direct access the vendor's affiliate tools for every product, as well as those tools supplied by the vendors. A few networks likewise supply their own set of tools that may be utilized with any of the products in their marketplace. The well-known networks are completely trustworthy when it comes to getting your payment, and their systems are frequently easier to use. The fact that they pay at once means that basically you're in a better position, as if a website like ClickBank were to go under tomorrow, you'd lose all your pending money. With the instant payment networks, this can't happen to you. What you must look out for is the way in which you're paid your instant commissions. A few networks operate on a rotating payment scheme while others provide a straight split. With the rotating payments, you and the vendor will take turns getting the full payment for the merchandise, beginning with the vendor. You're responsible for refunding if it's you who's been credited with it. With a straight split scheme, one half the commission is paid directly to the vendor and one half to you as the affiliate. Another benefit of the straight split system is that it avoids the issues that happen with the rotation scheme where you only get credited for every other sale. Basically, this means that if you only make one sale, you won't get paid. If you make 3 sales, you'll only get paid for one of them. Totaled over multiple campaigns, this may amount to a lot of cash that you're not getting. Next, we will look at a few of the platforms.